Hi, and welcome to the second version of my Sonic Pi Draws spirographs. And in this version, it's possible to stop a drawing by simply rerunning the Sonic Pi program. So if you don't like the drawing that's taking place, and they take quite a long time, some of them to draw, you simply rerun the program. Also, in this version, the coordinates for the drawing are automatically selected from 3 random lists, non-overlapping random lists, and also we have the ability to have random color in the drawing, changing while it's going. So without further ado, let's put it into operation and see what happens. We have a Python script already running, which is waiting for OSC messages from Sonic Pi, and here comes the first one. We can let this drawing go on, or we can simply rerun Sonic Pi now. And we get a new, completely different drawing, different color, different shape. Start another one. The accompaniment changes because that's generated by data coming back from the drawing process. Sometimes it's slow like this, sometimes it's much more frenetic. Start another drawing. And another one. Much more frenetic one this time. This one's got random colours selected. The colour's changing every 4 rotations. I've set the probability of that happening fairly low, which is why it's taken some time to get one actually occurring. And a last one to finish with. Short but sweet, and this will start automatically, in fact, because it had finished. So that was the second last one, but we'll stop that one now, and thank you very much for watching the video.